Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change Instagram notification sound on Android. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, we're gonna go ahead and open up our Instagram app. And we're gonna go back from this section. Then we're gonna tap on this profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on this 3 horizontal line on top right corner. Now tap on notifications. I'm gonna go ahead and tap on description, post, stories, and comments. Now you will find the information regarding that, and then you're going to tap on additional option in system settings. Now what you have to do is to make sure the notifications are allowed for it, and if you want to change the notification for them, what you have to do is simply going to go to your settings from this device setting, and then you're gonna simply go ahead, go to the sounds and vibration, and you're gonna go ahead, go to this notification sound, and you can go ahead change any notification over here. You can see fine, in these are the categories. Once you have chosen and set that in your device, in your system, it will set like that. Afterwards you're gonna go ahead, go back, go to the apps and search for your app Instagram, then go to notification, and then make sure it's allowed over here as well, and that is it. That's how you can do it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.